Welcome dear student. Our today's topic is development and birth, and this is from lesson life process in living organism part 2 class 10. So let's study. Okay, so student, the zygote formed after fertilization in the oviduct undergoes repeated mitotic division and embryo is formed. So in our previous video we have learned what is fertilization. So what is fertilization? Student, fertilization is a process in which a diploid zygote is formed. In this process by the union of haploid male gamete and female gamete. So in picture you can observe when egg cells egg cell and sperm cell, that is a male sex cell, will unite together, or by the union of these two cells fertilization will take place and a diploid zygote is formed, and then the zygote will start dividing by the process of mitosis. Okay, and embryo is formed after the fertilization, and meanwhile it is pushed towards the uterus. So after the fertilization, when zygote is formed by the mitotic division, what happened in this happened in the oviduct. So when it is developed, what happened, it is pushed towards the uterus of a female part. Okay, and once it reaches the uterus, it is implanted, and further development occurs after implantation. That means after the division of zygote by mitotic cell division, for development will takes place, and after the development of zygote, embryo will form. Then after embryo, fetus is formed. That means organs, tissue, different organs and tissues are formed in the fetus, and then after the development of fetus, a baby is developed. Okay, an organ called as placenta is formed for supply of a food material during the growth in uterus. So while growing an embryo, what happened, an organ which is called as a placenta, it is developed or grown for the supply of food material during the growth in a uterus. So this is a placenta which supplied food material to the developing baby or embryo. And embryonic development is completed approximately within 9 months after fertilization. So after fertilization of a zygote, embryonic development will start. It means first zygote will develop into a fetus, then fetus to embryo, then within a complete 9 months of baby is developed. Completely grown baby with all parts about organs, it is developed. Okay, and here you can observe a 9th month journey of a fetus to of a zygote or of a fetus into a 9th month fully grown baby. You can observe the first month baby, second month baby, 3. So month-wise development will takes place in the baby. So then after it reaches to the 9th month. Always remember, student, man is totally responsible whether the couple will have a boy or girl child. And during zygote formation, man contributes either X or Y chromosome to the next generation, but woman contributes only X sex chromosome to the next generation. So in our previous videos we have seen how the men and women contributes their sex chromosome. Okay, so men have X and Y chromosome, but women have both the chromosomes are similar, that is X chromosome. Okay, so when you can observe here sperms containing X and Y. So when the Y sperm will unite with the X cell, so what happened, it will form a boy child or a male child. Okay, but when the X when the X chromosome is sorry, it is not a sperm, it is chromosome. So when the X chromosome is unite with the X cell, so what happened, a girl child will form. And at the time of fertilization, if X chromosomes comes from male, the child will be a girl, and if Y chromosome comes, then the child will be a boy child. So student, mother is not responsible for the sex of a child, but man is totally responsible for determining whether the baby is a boy or a girl. So student, that's it for today's video. This is a very short video, but it is informative about development and a birth of a baby, and it takes a 9-month journey to develop a baby. So student, that's it for today's video. Thank you.